The Keychron Q2 Max is a serious contender in the world of custom mechanical keyboards. Right out of the box, the first thing you notice is the weight and the feel of quality. This isn't some flimsy plastic keyboard. The entire body is crafted from CNC machined aluminum, giving it a substantial, premium feel. The review unit came with Keychron banana switches, which provide a tactile bump without being too loud, perfect for both gaming and office environments. Connectivity is a major strength. The Q2 Max offers 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth 5.1, and a traditional USB-C wired connection. The 2.4 GHz wireless mode boasts a 1000 Hz polling rate, which is crucial for competitive gaming, ensuring every key press registers instantly. Bluetooth 5.1 allows you to connect to up to 3 devices simultaneously, making it easy to switch between your computer, tablet, and phone. Customization is where the Q2 Max truly shines. It's QMK via programmable, meaning you can remap every key, create macros, and customize the keyboard's layout to perfectly suit your needs. The hot-swappable design allows you to easily change the switches without soldering, so you can experiment with different switch types to find your ideal typing experience. The included PBT keycaps are durable and feel great under your fingers, contributing to that sought-after thock sound. The 65% layout is a great compromise between functionality and compactness. It retains the essential arrow keys while minimizing the overall footprint, saving valuable desk space. The addition of a programmable knob is a nice touch, allowing you to control volume, zoom, or any other function you can think of. The RGB backlighting is vibrant and customizable, with a wide range of effects and colors to choose from. The screw-in PCB stabilizers ensure that the larger keys, like the spacebar and shift keys, are stable and don't rattle. The Keychron Q2 Max isn't the cheapest keyboard on the market, but the premium build quality, extensive customization options, and versatile connectivity make it a worthwhile investment for anyone serious about their keyboard. If you're looking for a compact, high-performance mechanical keyboard that you can truly make your own, the Q2 Max is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.